In 2025, Fisker, a forward-thinking car company, has just rolled out an impressive lineup of new electric vehicles that are bound to turn heads. Among the most exciting reveals is the Ronin EV, a sleek convertible sports car, the Pierre EV, a compact SUV with a unique trunk design, and the Alaska EV, an all-electric pickup truck. But that's not all. Fisker also introduced the 2025 Fisker Ocean Force E, an off-road version of their popular Ocean SUV designed to take your adventures to the next level. The Force E edition is essentially a supercharged version of regular Ocean SUV but with a rugged twist. It's packed with features that make it ready for off-road action, and if you already own or have ordered an Ocean SUV, you can upgrade it with the Force E kit. Fisker has made this upgrade process seamless by offering installation services, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Another standout aspect of the regular Ocean SUV is its impressive range. According to the EPA, it can go up to 360 miles on a single charge, making it one of the top performers in the electric SUV category. This range is particularly appealing for those who love outdoor adventures, as it means you can explore further without constantly worrying about recharging. However, it will be interesting to see how the Force E edition holds up in real-world off-road conditions. What really sets the Force E apart is its bold and aggressive design. The SUV has been given a wider stance with fenders that extend out more than usual, creating a striking diamond pattern that adds to its rugged appearance. The show model features a sleek black paint job accented by bright orange Force E graphics, making it clear that this SUV is built for both style and substance. In addition to its wider look, the Force E comes equipped with special fog lights and a tow hook, enhancing its tough off-road ready vibe. While the Force E certainly makes a strong visual statement, it's not just about appearances. The thought and engineering that have gone into this model suggest that it's more than capable of handling rough terrains while still turning heads wherever it goes. Fisker's creation of the Ocean Force E is a testament to their ability to innovate and push the boundaries of what an electric vehicle can be. By combining the practicality of an SUV with the ruggedness